Hello everyone, today we're going to be working our ending sounds. So we're going to find the sound that comes all the way at the end of the word. So our first picture is the picture of a hamburger. Hamburger. So what is the last sound when you say, what's the last sound you hear when you say the word hamburger? Hamburger. You hear the sound. So what letter makes the sound? K, B, or R? Hamburger. It is the letter R. R makes the sound and comes at the end of hamburger. Okay, our next picture is the picture of honey. Honey. So what sound do you hear at the end when you say the word honey? Honey. E. You hear the word E. So when you hear the word E, what letter would it be? This is a new sound that we haven't worked on, but when you say honey, sometimes the Y makes an E sound and not just a y sound. Sometimes it makes an E sound. In words like honey. So our letter would be the letter Y because in the word honey, it makes an E sound and not a y sound. Our next picture is a picture of a log. Log. When you say the word log, what sound do you hear at the end? Log. You hear the sound g, log. What letter makes the g sound? G, U, or A? G. It is G. G makes the g sound in log. Log. Now, our next picture is the picture of a map. Map. When you say the word map, what is the last sound you hear? Map. You hear the sound p, map. So what letter makes the p sound? P, S, or N? Map. It is the letter P. The P goes p in map. Map. Our next picture is the picture of a skunk. Skunk. Now, what is the last sound you hear when you say the word skunk? Skunk. The last sound you hear is the sound k, skunk. So what letter makes the k sound? W, K, or Y? Which one goes k? K. K goes k in skunk. Our last picture is the picture of an owl. Owl. What is the last sound you hear when you say the word owl? Owl. It's the sound ooh. Owl. Ooh. So what letter makes the ooh sound? M, L, or S? Ooh. Ooh. It is the letter L. The L goes ooh, ooh, and owl, owl. Okay, you guys, you can go ahead and you can color the pictures if you want. And then I'll see you next time. Bye.